When we talk about design trends, there is one thing that comes to my mind right away, and that is an open concept floor plan. And today on this video, I will be talking about how to properly design an open concept main floor area. I did a video in the past called "Can I add a second floor to my home?" If you haven't checked that out, please do. It is linked in the description below and it is also in the YouTube card. On that video, I shared a project we did for a second floor addition to an existing home. And on that project, we moved the bedrooms and the bathrooms to the upper floor, and we created an open concept living area in the main floor. So today, to talk about how we can design an open concept living area, I'm gonna be using that project as a reference. The first thing you need to consider when designing an open concept living area is actually how you can separate each area. Yes, it is an open space, and we don't have walls, but each area still needs to have their own purpose. So we need to create ways of separating each area, and that can be done with furniture, rug, maybe a small structure like an island. There are many different ways we can do that. Second, you need to consider your daily routine, your family's needs, and how you function. For example, if you don't have the time to clean your kitchen, to keep your kitchen tidy, and it bothers you when a friend comes over and see the mess, then we need to create ways of hiding that mess. Third, pay attention to your furniture size. When we have walls that limit the space that we are in, it's actually easier to find the correct size of furniture for the area. But when it's all open, you have to pay attention because that furniture will actually act as a separation between rooms. Try to use furniture that it's not too small, that will make that space feel a little bit empty, and furniture big enough that will actually create a separation between areas. And another good trick is actually to use rug. Rug is actually an excellent way to create a separation between spaces that have different purposes. Number 4, create a link between areas. When we are creating an open concept floor plan, we need to approach the project as a whole. We don't have to replicate the same item throughout the entire house, but it's nice to create a link between areas. For example, you have a nice distressed wood table in your dining area. So you can bring some wood elements to your living area, to your kitchen, and it can just be a detail like a floor lamp, or maybe some sconces or some decor pieces. So we need to bring these elements together and create a link between these areas. And this step is actually part of my next step, which is be cohesive. Be cohesive with your design style, your finishes, your design details. And this is not easy, guys. If you don't have this natural ability of pulling things together and make them look nice together, you have to be really intentional about it. So the first thing I would recommend is actually to select a color palette and try to reproduce that throughout your main floor. And the same thing would apply for lighting and interior finishes. So if you are using a farmhouse style chandelier with wood and black finish, try to reproduce the same finishes in your living room, in your kitchen. So for example, pick a side lamp that has the same material, go with some pendants that brings the same style, and that's how you make it more cohesive. Now I'm sure you want to see all the 3D images for this beautiful home. So let's take a look at the 3D images and some before and after. Like I mentioned mentioned on my first video about this home renovation, the clients unfortunately will not go on to construction. We're now working on a new design for them, keeping the same footprint, and when that's ready, I will share that with you. Now, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments. If you like my video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.